Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the thriving community that values craftsmanship in wooden crafts project ideas. By showing you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the realm of wooden crafts, the emergence of a thriving community that values craftsmanship serves as a testament to the enduring appeal of handmade items and the deep-rooted connections formed through shared creativity. This community is characterized by a diverse group of artisans, hobbyists, and enthusiasts who come together to celebrate the beauty and artistry of woodworking, fostering an environment that nurtures skill development, innovation, and mutual support. Within this vibrant ecosystem, individuals not only hone their craft but also build relationships that transcend geographical boundaries, creating a rich tapestry of shared experiences, knowledge, and inspiration. The act of crafting with wood becomes a unifying force, drawing people together around a common passion and fostering a sense of belonging that enhances both personal fulfillment and collective growth. At the heart of this thriving community is a shared appreciation for the artistry and skill involved in woodworking. Each artisan brings their unique perspective, techniques, and styles, contributing to a diverse range of projects that reflect their individuality while also honoring traditional craftsmanship. This celebration of diversity encourages dialogue and collaboration, as artisans exchange ideas, techniques, and inspirations that enrich their practices. Whether it's experimenting with different joinery methods, exploring various finishing techniques, or sharing tips for working with specific types of wood, the community thrives on a culture of learning and mutual growth. This environment of collaboration fosters a deeper understanding of the craft, allowing artisans to push the boundaries of their creativity and develop their skills in ways they may not have thought possible. Moreover, the community surrounding wooden crafts often extends beyond individual artisans to include local businesses, suppliers, and organizations that support the craft. These connections create a robust network that amplifies the impact of craftsmanship on the local economy and culture. By sourcing materials from local suppliers, artisans not only ensure the quality and sustainability of their projects but also contribute to the vitality of their communities. This interconnectedness fosters a sense of responsibility among artisans to uphold the values of quality and sustainability in their work, reinforcing the idea that craftsmanship is not just a solitary pursuit but a collective endeavor that benefits everyone involved. The shared commitment to supporting local economies and sustainable practices further strengthens the bonds within the community. As the demand for handmade wooden crafts continues to grow, so too does the community's commitment to promoting the value of craftsmanship in a world increasingly dominated by mass-produced goods. Artisans within this community often engage in advocacy efforts to educate consumers about the benefits of choosing handmade items over factory-produced alternatives. Through workshops, demonstrations, and community events, artisans highlight the intricacies of the woodworking process, showcasing the time, skill, and passion that go into each piece. This educational approach not only raises awareness about the value of craftsmanship but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the artistry behind wooden projects. By inviting consumers to experience the crafting process firsthand, artisans create opportunities for connection that bridge the gap between maker and consumer, fostering a mutual respect that enhances the overall appreciation for handmade goods. The sense of community within the world of wooden crafts is also amplified by the rise of online platforms and social media, which provide artisans with a space to showcase their work, connect with fellow crafters, and share their journeys. These digital spaces have transformed the landscape of woodworking, allowing artisans from different backgrounds and locations to come together in a virtual realm where creativity knows no bounds. Online forums, social media groups, and dedicated websites serve as platforms for artisans to share their projects, seek advice, and provide feedback, creating a dynamic exchange of ideas that transcends traditional barriers. This connectivity fosters a sense of camaraderie among artisans, enabling them to form friendships and collaborations that enrich their crafting experiences. The ability to connect with like-minded individuals from around the world promotes a culture of inclusivity, where artisans can celebrate their differences while finding common ground in their passion for woodworking. Additionally, the thriving community of wooden crafts often emphasizes the importance of mentorship and skill sharing, recognizing that the transfer of knowledge is essential for the continued growth of the craft. Experienced artisans frequently take on the role of mentors, guiding newcomers through the intricacies of woodworking, sharing techniques, and instilling a sense of confidence in their abilities. This mentorship culture not only helps to preserve traditional craftsmanship, but also empowers the next generation of artisans to explore their creativity and develop their unique styles. By fostering an environment where learning is encouraged and celebrated, the community ensures that the art of woodworking continues to evolve, adapting to new trends and technologies while remaining rooted in the principles of craftsmanship and quality. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The sense of belonging that arises from participation in this community is particularly significant for many artisans, as it provides a supportive network that nurtures both personal and professional growth. Crafting can often be a solitary pursuit, but within this community, individuals find encouragement, inspiration, and validation for their creative endeavors. The camaraderie shared among artisans fosters an environment where individuals can take risks, experiment with their craft, and embrace the learning process without fear of judgment. This supportive atmosphere cultivates resilience, allowing artisans to overcome challenges and setbacks while celebrating their successes together. The shared journey of growth and exploration deepens the bonds between community members, reinforcing the idea that craftsmanship is a collective endeavor that thrives on collaboration and support. As artisans engage in their craft, they often find that their work transcends mere production. It becomes a means of storytelling and self-expression. Each wooden piece crafted carries with it the history, emotions, and experiences of the maker, creating a narrative that resonates with both the creator and the consumer. Within this community, artisans are encouraged to share the stories behind their work, whether it be the inspiration for a particular design, the techniques used, or the significance of the piece in their lives. This storytelling aspect adds depth to the crafting process, allowing artisans to connect with others on a more profound level. When consumers understand the stories behind the items they purchase, they develop a greater appreciation for the craftsmanship involved, transforming transactions into meaningful exchanges that honor the artistry and dedication of the maker. Furthermore, the community surrounding wooden crafts often prioritizes sustainability and environmental consciousness, recognizing the importance of preserving natural resources for future generations. Artisans within this community frequently share a commitment to using responsibly sourced materials, adopting eco-friendly practices, and minimizing waste in their crafting processes. This shared ethos fosters a culture of responsibility, where artisans not only create beautiful pieces, but also contribute to the well-being of the planet. By promoting sustainable practices, the community encourages consumers to make informed choices about the products they support, reinforcing the idea that craftsmanship can coexist harmoniously. As the community of wooden crafts continues to thrive, it also plays a vital role in preserving traditional techniques and knowledge that have been passed down through generations. The rich history of woodworking is woven into the fabric of this community, with artisans honoring the craftsmanship of their predecessors while also embracing innovation and experimentation. By sharing their skills and knowledge, artisans contribute to the preservation of these time-honored traditions, ensuring that the art of woodworking remains alive and relevant in contemporary society. This dedication to craftsmanship not only enriches the community but also inspires future generations to explore the possibilities of woodworking, creating a lasting legacy that celebrates the beauty and artistry of handmade wooden crafts. The thriving community that values craftsmanship in wooden crafts is a vibrant and dynamic space where creativity, collaboration, and shared passion flourish. This community encompasses a diverse group of artisans, hobbyists, and enthusiasts who come together to celebrate the artistry of woodworking, fostering an environment that nurtures skill development, innovation, and mutual support. Through shared experiences, storytelling, and a commitment to sustainability, artisans deepen their connections to their craft and to one another, creating a sense of belonging that enhances both personal fulfillment and collective growth. The importance of mentorship, skill sharing, and community engagement ensures that traditional techniques are preserved while embracing new trends and technologies. As artisans continue to connect, inspire, and support one another, the legacy of craftsmanship within the wooden crafts community remains vibrant, enriching the lives of those involved and leaving a lasting impact on the world. Ultimately, this thriving community serves as a testament to the power of creativity and the beauty of craftsmanship, reminding us that the act of making is not just about the finished product, but also about the connections we forge and the stories we tell along the way. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.